All right, let's talk about what's happening right now. You've seen it, you've felt it. Artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword from a sci-fi movie anymore. It's here and it's changing everything. From the way you get recommendations on your favorite streaming service to the complex systems running behind the scenes of major industries, AI is weaving itself into the fabric of our world. This isn't just another tech trend that will fade away in a year or two. This is a fundamental shift, a technological revolution on the scale of the internet itself. It's like a new digital frontier has just opened up, a vast, unexplored territory filled with incredible potential. Think of it like a modern-day gold rush. A century and a half ago, people from all walks of life packed their bags and headed west, driven by the promise of striking it rich, who saw an opportunity and were willing to learn the tools of the trade. Today, the gold isn't in the ground. It's in the data, the algorithms, the creative applications of AI. So, what does this AI gold rush mean for you? Especially if you're thinking about a career change, or if you never went the traditional college route. It means this is your moment. This is a rare point in history where the playing field is being leveled in real time. The usual gatekeepers and barriers to entry are less relevant than ever before. In previous tech booms, a specific degree from a specific university was often seen as the only ticket in. But the AI revolution is different. It's moving too fast and is too broad for those old systems to keep up. It's a game changer for anyone feeling stuck or left behind. This unique opportunity exists because AI is not just one thing. It's a vast ecosystem of different roles and specializations. It's not just about complex mathematics and coding deep neural networks from scratch. It's also about creativity, communication, ethics, quality control, and practical application. Companies are realizing that they need a diverse range of thinkers and doers to build successful AI products. Let's clear something up right away, because it's a huge misconception. That holds a lot of people back. There's a pervasive myth that the world of AI is an exclusive club, a high-walled ivory tower accessible only to those with a PhD in computer science, PhD in mathematics from a top-tier university. While those brilliant minds are absolutely essential, they represent only a tiny fraction of the workforce needed. The truth is, building, deploying, maintaining AI is a team sport. It requires a massive support structure and a wide array of different roles. They need people to prepare data, label the data, test the model for biases and errors, design user-friendly interfaces, create content with AI tools, and explain how the technology works to customers and stakeholders. These roles are just as critical to the success of an AI project as the core research. This is where the opportunity explodes for everyone else. These practical, hands-on roles often depend more on specific skills, attention to detail, and a willingness to learn than on years of theoretical study. The best person to test an AI's conversational abilities might be someone with a background in customer service or communications. The best person to annotate medical imaging data might be someone with experience as a medical technician, not a machine learning engineer. So, we've established that the AI boom is real and you don't need a fancy degree. Now, the jobs. Not low-level dead-end gigs. Legitimate, high-demand, six-figure career paths. Accessible now. Essential roles in the AI ecosystem. Companies will pay top dollar for people who can do them well. The blueprint, a roadmap to a lucrative career, no 4-year degree required. These roles exist because building AI is practical work. Technology alone is useless. It needs human guidance, refinement, and application. Infographic. AI content creators, prompt engineers, data annotators, QA testers, no-code specialists. Each is a unique entry point leveraging different skills. First up, a role that taps directly into the creative explosion, the AI content creator. This is one of the most exciting and accessible entry points into AI. You're not building the AI, you're using it as a powerful new paintbrush, camera, writing partner, or music tool. You leverage AI tools like Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, DALL-E, or ChatGPT, and other large language models to produce high-quality content for businesses. This could be marketing copy, blog posts, social media visuals, video scripts, and even music. This job really matters because content is still king, and the demand for it has just skyrocketed. AI tools are not magic wands. They need a skilled operator, a creative director who understands brand voice, develops the right prompts, curates the best outputs, and adds the essential human touch of refinement and strategic thinking. Begin by mastering the tools. Spend hours experimenting with free or low-cost AI generators. Join online communities like Discord and Reddit. Start building a portfolio. Create a fictional brand, generate a full suite of marketing materials, offer to create content for a local nonprofit or small business for free or a low fee, and document your process. A portfolio showing you can use AI to create beautiful, on-brand content is your golden ticket. Next, let's talk about a role that sounds highly technical, but is really about the art of communication: the prompt engineer, sometimes called an AI whisperer. A prompt engineer specializes in crafting the perfect instructions, prompts, to get the desired output from an AI. From large language models like ChatGPT or Claude, it's a dialogue between a human and a machine. You must understand the nuances of language and the architecture of the AI model to guide it with precision. It's the difference between write about cars and a detailed prompt that produces a perfectly toned, formatted, factual article. Garbage in, garbage out. A company might have the most powerful model in the world, but if employees can't communicate with it, that power is wasted. Prompt engineers create libraries of effective prompts, train employees on best practices, and refine and optimize interactions, unlocking a company's AI ROI. The skills required are a blend of art and science. You don't necessarily need to code, but logical, structured thinking, excellent writing, curiosity, and a methodical approach make the best prompt engineers. Practice daily with free models, start a prompt journal, take courses on Coursera or boot camps, and build a portfolio on GitHub showing side-by-side prompts and outputs to demonstrate mastery. Now for a role that is, honestly, the unsung hero of the AI world: the AI data annotator. This is, without a doubt, one of the most fundamental jobs in the entire industry. Before an AI can learn to identify anything, a cat in a photo, a fraudulent transaction, a cancerous cell in a medical scan, it needs to be shown thousands or millions of examples. The job of a data annotator is to label, tag, and categorize that raw data so the machine can understand it. This might involve drawing boxes around cars for self-driving companies, transcribing audio clips, or tagging sentiment in customer reviews. This work is the bedrock of machine learning. Without high-quality, accurately labeled data, AI models simply cannot be built. The performance, safety, and fairness of any AI system depend on the quality of the data it was trained on. Annotators must be meticulous, consistent, and able to follow complex guidelines. They are, in a way, the teachers for the AI. Domain expertise increases value: medicine, law, finance. To get started, look for freelance platforms like Upwork, specialized annotation platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk or Scale AI, build reputation, and seek complex projects for higher pay. As you build experience, you can move into quality control, team lead, or project manager roles. It's a solid first step on the AI career ladder. Let's move on to a role that's perfect for anyone who honestly loves breaking things: the AI quality assurance or QA tester. Just like traditional software, AI systems need to be rigorously tested before release. However, testing AI is much more complex and nuanced. An AI QA tester's job is to interact with an AI model to find weaknesses, biases, and failure points. They red team the AI, intentionally trying to trick it into giving incorrect, unsafe, or nonsensical answers. They test for factual accuracy, logical consistency, fairness, and ethical guardrails. This role is absolutely critical for building trust and safety in AI. An untested AI can be a public relations disaster waiting to happen. It could give harmful medical advice, exhibit biases, or be manipulated by malicious users. AI QA testers are the front line of defense, ensuring models are robust, reliable, and aligned with human values. Ideal skills: an adversarial mindset, methodical documentation, creativity to invent novel attacks, and strong communication to document flaws clearly. Get started by interacting with public models, try to push them to failure, document polished bug reports, and participate in bug bounty or red teaming programs. You can even get paid for findings. Finally, let's look at a role that actually empowers you to build, not just use or test AI: the no-code AI specialist. The rise of no-code and low-code platforms is one of the biggest trends in tech. These powerful visual tools allow you to build complex applications, websites, and automations by dragging and dropping components. Now, these platforms are integrating powerful AI capabilities. A no-code AI specialist uses these tools to build AI-powered solutions without writing code. This role is a massive enabler for small and medium-sized businesses that can't afford ML teams but still want AI. Build chatbots, automate lead categorization, analyze customer feedback, Democratize AI adoption. Key skills: problem solving, systems thinking, and a quick appetite for new software. Understand basic software logic and APIs. Communicate solutions simply to clients. Immerse yourself in Bubble, Zapier, Make, and similar platforms. Many have free tiers. Pay attention to AI integrations like OpenAI. Start building small projects and automations as portfolio pieces. Create short demo videos and case study write-ups that show the problem, your AI solution, and the impact. This portfolio is your resume and proves you can deliver real value. So there you have it. 5 distinct, high-value career paths in AI that are open to you right now, regardless of your educational background. We've demystified the world of AI, moving it from some far-off futuristic concept to a tangible present-day opportunity. This isn't about hype. It's about a real, fundamental shift in the job market. The demand for people with practical AI skills is growing every single day, and companies hiring are more interested in your abilities and your portfolio than they are in a diploma. The journey starts with a single step. It might feel intimidating, but remember that every expert was once a beginner. Pick the role that excites you the most, the one that aligns with your natural interests and talents, and just start. Spend an hour tonight playing with an AI tool. Watch a tutorial tomorrow. Join a Discord community this weekend. The barrier to entry has never been lower. The resources are abundant and many are free. The only thing required is your curiosity and your commitment to learning. Don't wait for permission. You don't need it. Don't fall into the trap of thinking it's too late or that you've missed the boat. We are at the very beginning of this revolution. The skills you build today will become the foundation for a career that could last for decades. Seize this moment. Be curious. Be bold. Start building your skills, create your portfolio, and step into your future. Take it.